Hey, what's going on? Today I will design a impossibly beautiful portfolio website. As you can see here, I have added a header section, and then we will add some image with text and also added some left border side. And I will add this section. Also, I will add this portfolio section like feature word, and also add our approach. And lastly, I have added a beautiful carousel or beautiful carousel testimonial section. If you're interested in this video, please continue this video. I hope you can like this kind of video. Okay, let's get started with the video. All right, guys. So those of you who have installed WordPress after watching my video have this kind of interface, as you can see. So today I will use Elementor to do the job. Statutory warning: the Elementor plugin is premium, on that you must purchase. However, you will contact me by email so that I will give you that plugin. But when you use for your client, you have to purchase it. Okay, but today I will give you for practice purpose. Okay, so for this I will install the Elementor plugin. For this, first of all, go to plugin and install it and add new. The search on this box Elementor. The Elementor, first Elementor, this is a completely free. We can use this Elementor. We have installed Elementor WordPress page builder. It's completely free, but Pro is not free. First of all, we have to install this Elementor page builder. Then we will use Pro version. Just activate it and just skip tutorial. Skip this area. Skip, and go to plugin section again. So we will exit this dashboard, exit to dashboard, and go to plugin section. Again go to plugin section and add new, and I will install the Pro version. Just upload plugin. This is a premium version, that's why we have to upload it. Then we have to open and install. After a few minutes later, as you can see, our WordPress Elementor Pro has been installed. Just activate plugin. That's it. And now we can design any kind of WordPress website by using Elementor. So for this, we have to create a page. So today I will design a landing page to you. So for this, go to page and add new. And first of all, we also install a page. We also install a plugin. That's the name is as you can see, the classic editor. It's important, but maximum time I use it. Okay, that activate. Okay, done. And go to page and add new. Here you can put your page name, and I will put the page name is home, and go to publish, and then we go to the settings icon and click on the reading option, and here you will select a static page home, select, and here you will select a home section and save. Okay, again you go to page and all page that you have. We will go to the existing page. The name is home. Just edit option and go to this button, edit with Elementor. As you can see, our Elementor is opening. As right now we will do go to the gear icon or settings icon. Click this settings icon and go to the page layout and select the Elementor canvas. Okay, then update, and as you can see, our full Elementor full page is blank, and we will design over here. We will make a landing page like this. This is my portfolio website. I made this since many days ago. Just I want to share with you a simple landing page. Here I will start from here. I will not show you the menu option right now. I will show you from here and here to here. Okay, for this, first of all, we have to make the hero section. This is called hero section. To do this, just you have to click plus icon and select the full column and go to the Rubik's cube icon and go to layout settings, this configuration settings, this content width, just box width to full width. We have to use full width. Okay, as you can see, this is the full width area, and then we will add a widget name called inner section. We have to drag to drop here, and as you can see, here is the two inner section, 1 and 2. Okay, here I will put image section. It's called this. I will put this image from here. I will use this image to here. For this, I have already imported the image widget option by image widget, and I will upload my image for this, and I will upload the file. Right, I have imported my image. Just insert image. As you can see, my image is too much large and I have to decrease it. For this, go to a style option and decrease the width with maybe 13%. Okay. On the other hand, right side, as you can see, we have I use the header, and also this one is a header. Also, this one is a dual button. But right now, I do not use this dual button. But for this, we need another plugin. It's called Happy Add-on. But we can use a single button. All right. So for this, and we need to install, but we need to drag a heading widget and drop here, and we have to write here the text was the get every single solution. All right, and you can decrease the font size, and you can change the font, and you can change the color of this text. And I will use this color for this, and I need to color picker. I have the color picker. The name is Pixie, and I can select the color of this text. For this, Control Alt C, I can copy that color code and put here the color code, hexa code. As you can see, the color code is already imported here. I just decrease the font size. As you can see, I have already decreased, and I can change the font family. I will use Jost font, and I will decrease the font width. Font width will be 300 or 400 width, I think. All right, and I can margin it. For this, go to the pen icon and go to the advanced option and unlink the link value together, and top we can use 13 pixel margin top for this text. Okay, now we will use the bigger header section, the bigger header area. To do this, we have to use again a header widget and drop here. I think there hasn't trouble. Okay, here the text was designer Faisal Jaman, and I will write I am designer Faisal Jaman. Okay, and as you can see, the I am designer, and then this is the BR tag. I have used this area for this, and I will use the HTML tag that called left angle bracket. You will write left angle bracket and write BR, and then close right angle bracket. As you can see, our text is broke, and I will change similarly our color and also font, and I will use the black color. The color was 020202, and I will paste over here, and as you can see, already is done. And I will use the font family. I will use Jost font, and also font width will be 700 or 800 as you can use, and I will increase the size. All right, and as you can see, our image is very smaller than this font, but this text. So for this, I will increase the image size. Image size will be, I think, 60 pixel. All right, and I will use the button option. The button to add the button, we have to go to the Rubik's Cube icon and search button, and I will drag button and drop it here, and I will change the color, I will change the text, and text will be I will use just hire me, and I can use double button, and I will show you here. I will use hire me, and I will add this kind of color for this button, and I will add style. I go to style and color, I will change it. Okay, here you can use another button like this, and for in order to work, you can use go to the pen icon and also go to the advanced option. Here you guys can see the width option. Just here is the default value, and you can select inline auto. Okay, and here you can add another button for in order to this work, and go to the Rubik's cube icon and another. I will add button widget. Sorry. Okay, so in order to this button, for this I will go to the pen icon, and I will do same thing, go to advanced, and I will change the width, and width will be inline auto. As you can see, our button has been added here. Okay, I will change the color, and I will add some margin from here. In order to work, just click on this, click here pen icon, and I will change the text color, and text will be portfolios. And I will change the color will be black, and go to style, background color, I will change this color, and also decrease. I will add some margin from portfolio, margin left. First of all, I will turn off the link value together, and decrease or increase left minus 10 pixel left, 10 or 15 pixel left. All right, as you can see, our button is already, as you can see, the button is have some radius. We can use this radius, but there have some disadvantages. You will see. Let me do this. For this, you will click pen icon and go to the style option, and you can add the radius from here. For this, you can add radius from top area, and you can add radius for left area. Okay, first of all, we will radius from here top area. I will use radius 10 pixel, and the right side I will use not right side, left side I will use also 10 pixel, as you can see. And also we can add portfolio radius in order to work. Go to style and go to radius option, and first of all we have to unlink the link value together, and then we will use right side 10 pixel of radius I will use, and bottom I will use 10 pixel also. All right, and if you don't want to use this margin, and if you want to use here a text or button, you can add, but this kind of design you cannot do in Elementor. If you want to use custom CSS, you can do it, but initially you cannot do it. For this, I can remove this margin left from here. All right, hire me on portfolio. I can do it similarly. Okay, in here button here, I can use a text. I can use a link for this. Hire me here. That you can go to the content option and link option. If you have a Fiverr account or Upwork account, you can add link from. You can add link to here, and also portfolio. You have another website for portfolio. You can use. You can add those portfolio link to the contents area, to the link section. Okay, our first header option by hero section completely done. I will use it up. Now I will design the second section like this. Okay, first of all, we will add image, then we will add content and title, and we will add as content. In order to work, just go to the plus icon and select a 3-column structure, and we will put margin top from header. In order to work, just click Rubik's cube icon and go to advanced, and you have to unlink this this is, and margin top will be 100 pixel. And as you can see, we have some space between the header section, and we will use image. First of all, I will use image widget option. Just here I will put the image, that image, just insert it, and image will be left side. Here I will, as you can see, and we will move the alignment the left side and add the heading widget. I have already added heading, and heading text was content creation. Okay, sorry, content creation. And I will decrease the image, I will decrease the text size. Font size will be like this, and font family will be Jost. All right, and the color will be black. Okay, and then I will add text option, a text editor option, and text editor like here text was the lorem ipsum dummy text. I have already added this, and if you want to decrease the size, you can add the margin minus or plus. And if I I will decrease the text option. I will decrease the text margin minus figure, and go to the advanced option and unlink the link value together, and minus top. I will add 60 to 20 pixel. 20 pixel is like cool, and I will add a border. Border will be just only for left side. In order to work, just click the column option, column icon, and go to the style and go to the border. Border color will be border type will be none, and color will be this color. Okay, so I will select this color for design purpose. Like I have copied this code and paste over here. See, our border has been added all those sides, and I will just use for left side in order to work. And you can decrease the value for width from width. And first of all, I would like to I will unlink the value together, and I will use only for left side. I will use border only for 5 pixel. Border has been added, and I will copy this column and paste it over here. Also, I have pasted over here, and I will delete those blank column. Delete and delete. And I will just change the color, and I will change the content. Now I will duplicate this column. For do this, just go to the column section and click on the right button and duplicate that column. As you can see, our another column has been created, and I will insert those image and content. Okay, you have already seen that section I already have created. Just I will go to the update section, and I have to update those page. Okay, now I will create the third section is like this. In order to work, and I will use 3 column here, and this is the first column, this is the second column, and this is the third column. Okay, just go to the plus icon and click the 3 column structure, and I will add margin top for this section. Go to advanced and unlink this area, unlink this, and top will be 100 pixel. The first section will be 50%, and my second and third column will be 50%. Okay, in order to work, and I have to increase the column size 50%, and this will be 25%, and this will be, and to work, just I will drag the heading widget, and also I will add why Faisal Jaman and why your brand and why you, like this. I will insert Faisal Jaman, and I will use here HTML code. The code is br tag, and I will put the color will be black, and typography will be Jost. All right, and this is not like Jost font. This is I think use Roboto font, and here I will use Jost font, and Jost font weight will be 700 or 800. Also here has a question mark. All right, and I will add a paragraph tag in order to work. Just I can use the header tag for paragraph, and I can switch the heading for a heading tag. Just go to the HTML tag and just select the P tag. This will be paragraph tag, and you can put your text will be, and I will use this a double time, and go to the color will be, I think, this one, and also have a button is just a link, and I will add this. Go to the Rubik's Cube icon and just drag the button and drop here, and button has no border, just only text, and you can use the text, and I will use for button tag. Okay, first of all I will add the text. The text is watch video, and I will add the color is this, and I will copy the color code and paste it over here, the background option. Also not, I will add the text color. Okay, you can see our text color will be sky color, and I will disappear the background color. Go to the background color and background color opacity. I will decrease the background color opacity. As you can see, our this is the button, and I will increase the button size. Go to the typography and increase the button text color text, and you can decrease the font width, and I will decrease the font for 300 pixel. 300 not pixel, it's 200. Okay, and I will margin top for this. The top will be 10 or 20 pixel. Okay, and I will add another one is the here I will add inner section. I have a tricks if you want to use for this. I will delete this column, and I will use inner section. As you can see, our two column already has been added here, and I will add this one very easily. Okay, first of all I will design it, and I will show you that tricks. First of all, we will add a icon will be image. I will add the image, and image will be alignment left, and I will add the text is a design that turn head, and I will change the color will be black, and typography I will decrease the size, and also decrease the font width. Also add a font Jost. Okay, and I also add a text editor, and I will remove some text, and I will decrease the margin top. All right, and I will add this column here. I will copy this, and I will paste it over here, and I will delete the blank column, and I will change the I can, okay, I will do this right now. Just duplicate this section, but duplicate this both column. Just duplicate it here. It's very pretty simple, and you can add those images. The image was barely image, and the fourth image is ranking like this. Okay, you can change this text, and I will move to another section. I will update right now for security purpose, and I will add feature work section. In order to work, just click the plus icon, go to the full section, full column, and column will be box, no problem. Just I will add heading widget, and text will be features work. Okay, feature works, and as you can see here, as a full stop, and full stop was the color was different for to this. I will use span tag, and I will put the full stop and close the span tag. In span tag, I will add a custom CSS. CSS called is internal CSS. Here is called internal CSS. I will use a different color for this particular full stop. Style and comma I can add this font area. If you want to this code, I will add. I will give you that on the description. Okay. In order that kind of design for this, I will design the color. I will change the color, and also I will change the font family. Font will be Jost, and font width will be 800, and color go to the content, and alignment will be centered. And I have forgotten the I have forgotten the those given margin for to this. Go to the Rubik's Cube icon and go to the advanced and unlink. Go to the top 100 pixel, and then I have added a sub header. In order to work, just go to the heading. Go to drop the heading option, heading widget, and also I will type this content. I will paste it over here. Just I will align. I will centered, and change the color. Color will be. I will copy this color code and paste it over here. All right. The typography font size, I will decrease it 13 pixel. All right, and I can change the font. Okay, here I will add an image. The first image will be 2 column, and here the first column, second column, and second section has third column. First of all, I will add 2 column structure and add image. I have dragged image of and also drop. I will add image. Image will be, we think, okay, this one, and I will add 90%, 3%, and I also add the image wizard here over here. Just add it. I just add this one, insert. I have inserted this, and I will also again do this task. Just go to the 3 column structure. Just add a 3 column structure and add image wizard. Just bring that image, insert image, and I will use this image wizard tag. Go to the image will be this one, I think. All right, and I will add image. Image will be this one. Okay, as you can see here, have some margin top. Just to do this, just go to the advanced option and link here, and I will add 15 pixel margin top. All right, this section is kind of this section, and I will just copy this section and change the text color, but text content. Just copy it and paste it over here. Similarly, the subtitle will be copy and paste it over here. All right, and I will add some margin top, will be 100 pixel. I don't need to bottom margin, just remove it, and I will change the content. The text is just, I will paste, I will just remove feature work, and I will add our approach, and the subtext will be this one. All right, and add 2 column here. I will add just 2 column, just add a header, just old way. I just add header option and go to and type old way, and I will decrease the font size, and color will be black, yeah, and content will be centered. As you can see here, has some margin top. Here, as you can see here, some margin top. I will use it. Go to advanced, margin top will be 15 pixel and bold way, and I will add a icon and some text. Go to the image box. I will add this widget. You can see already it's made it, and you just put the image will be no strategy image, this one, and text will be no strategy, and to change the color will be here. You can see the content area, and color will be black, and I know the color will be this one. I cannot pick the color code. All right, I just paste over here and decrease the size. For do this, go to the typography and decrease the size. All right, and I will change the text font and text color. Color will be that color, and font typography will be font size. I will decrease it. All right, now I just copy this column and paste it over here. And in order to do this, first of all, I would like to add some margin top. Go to the advanced, and top will be 20 pixel or 40 pixel. I just duplicate this column, and I will also duplicate this column. And in the other hand, I will add the same thing, but just I will insert some shadow here. Okay, in order to work, I'm just copy this section, copy this widget and paste it over here. And also similarly, I will do this stuff, duplicate and also duplicate. I will change this content and image. As you can see here, has some information are missing, like this information. I will copy it and paste it over here. I will drag it and drop here. So this is a new way. All right, I will just add a shadow for here. I will add shadow to the pen icon and go to the style. I will remove this pixie and go to the style, go to the advanced and border this one, and shadow will this is, and I will add just margin top kind of horizontally. I will put insert value for vertical for top area, and I will decrease the spread and add some blur. All right, and for every wizard, just I want this shadow for left side, also left side and bottom side. In order to work, just go to the pen icon and go to the advanced and go to the border section. Just box shadow will be horizontally left side, and I will spread decrease the spread, just increase the blur value. Horizontally I will decrease the horizontal. Okay, spread will be decrease and blur will be increase. Okay, vertical will be decrease. All right, and here I will put a similar thing, but will be added the bottom side. Okay, go to the button and go to the box shadow. Horizontal will be not horizontal, I'm sorry, vertical will be decrease, increase. Also speed will be decrease, not too much, just blur will be increase. All right, and you can add you can do this very perfectly. I think just go to the update button, and here as you can see has a button, and I will this button for this go to the Rubik's cube icon and go to and type button, BUTT button, and paste it over here. Has some trouble, I just take a section and add button tag, a button widget, and button will be centered. Button color will be this one, and I will add button color, not FFF. I think this one is correct. And I will add some padding left side and right side. In order to work, just go to the pen icon and go to the padding, insert unlink this value together, put the top side 15 pixel, I think 10 pixel top, and bottom is like 10 pixel, and right will be 13 pixel and left will be 13 pixel, and I will increase 20, left will be 40 and 40. I think this one is correct. If you want to use increase this left and right side 60, 60 and 20, 20. All right, the text was click here, and text has some margin top, and I will use it. Margin top will be I think 20, 30 pixel. All right, the final step is testimonial section. Our testimonial section is testimonial in order to work for testimonial, just go to the plus icon and click the one column structure and add some margin top. Go to the advanced, add decrease, unlink this here, and top will be 100 pixel, and add testimonial wizard. Just type TES, okay, TESTI, okay, testimonial. Just add testimonial wizard and add some text. Text was very good to work with. Just input the text. Sorry, very good to work with, and use the image. This image will be your client image, and client name will be something like David, and he was a CEO. Okay, If you want to use another image, another testimonial for like carousel, and if you want to this carousel testimonial, just go to the Rubik's cube icon and select testimonial carousel. This one is another image, another wizard, another design. If you want to use carousel, I will use the both design, testimonial, the carousel wizard. This is the main feature of this carousel. You can use item 1 is item 1 client information, and you can use the second one, use second client feedback. Okay, just I will add one, just insert the client image. The client name will be David, and client is the CEO of any different company, and text is like this one. I will put here, copy and paste. All right, our second image, I will add the second image, and I will decrease, I will cut or remove some text, and the name will be Mary, and she is a CTO. All right, and third one is I will decrease some text and insert the image, and his name is John. Okay, and he is a MD. Okay, I will delete this testimonial option. I will insert margin top for this testimonial for 100 pixel. All right, our completely done. Our landing page design has been created, done. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you mind my language, please leave it, and I will try to give important video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.